Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings are finally today, and today I'm going to have an unboxing of the brand new, just released Sony Xperia 10. I purchased this here in the UK for about £299.99. I'll leave a link down below from where you can purchase it from. This colour is available in blue or navy, black, silver and pink. I believe in the UK, however, this phone is only available in the colours navy and black. I haven't managed to see any of the other colours unless I think you buy it from the Sony website itself. The Sony Xperia 10 had just been released a few days ago, so I think around the 28th of February. When I saw this, online, I was like, I have to get this phone to make a video on it, and of course make an unboxing video, a review, and most probably a water test, because this channel is now famous for water testing, so this is probably going to go on one of those tests as well, which is pretty exciting. Before I actually dive in and unbox this phone, I just want to tell you guys some key specifications. This phone actually comes with a 6-inch Full HD display, so 1080p, dual camera system, 30 megapixel and 5 megapixel, high resolution audio with something called DSEE-HX and LDAC, and it has a massive 2870 milliamp battery. So, it's pretty awesome. It also comes with an 8 megapixel front camera, perfect for selfies, and in the inside of the phone it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 chip, which is not too bad. But for this price point, for a £299.99 phone, I would probably be expecting maybe a 4K display coming from Sony, maybe a greater Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. If I went out and I bought, let's say, a OnePlus 6, I probably could catch one on eBay for that sort of price, and it would probably come up with those top-notch specs. But again, guys, Sony is a great brand, so I'm not going to underestimate it. So let me just show you now what the unboxing is like. So on the front of the phone, you can see it says Sony, and then it says Xperia 10. On the side of the phone, it just says Xperia 10, and on this side of the phone, it just says Xperia 10. On this side, you have all the IMEI information, and it says Made in China. And at the back of the phone, you can see everything I just read out. And again, it has a 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is pretty awesome. And a 15.1 centimeters or 6-inch Full HD display. So now I'm going to go ahead and dive into this box. You can also see it comes with Bluetooth, as all phones do, so I don't know why they put that in the box, and NFC connection as well, so you can, I guess, tap to pay and stuff, as with other phones. So I'm just going to open the box now. I'm going to show you guys what we have inside. So I don't actually have a pen with me. I don't have a knife with me, so I won't be able to use a knife to unbox it. So hence, this is why I'm using a pen. Okay, so the moment of truth. The box doesn't really look too good as well. I mean, for a phone this much, the box should be, I don't know, a bit aesthetically pleasing and a bit easier to unbox. If I compare this to an Apple box, it's very easy to unbox, but nevertheless, that's not my problem. The problem is in the actual phone, and this doesn't want to open for some reason. There you go. Okay, so there you go. This is the phone, the Sony Xperia, just released Sony Xperia 10 in the color navy. I'm going to put this to the side. I'll go back to it in a minute. I'm just going to open the box up. So inside, I'm going to put this to the side here. So the first thing we get is a startup guide and some warranty information, I guess, declaration of conformity, and the Sony charger. So standard, looks like a Samsung charger, but whatever. Actually, before I talk, I'm just gonna take this out of the thing and just put it on, just because I don't really want to waste time talking too much and then not getting enough time to actually turn the phone on and actually look at the phone. So let that power up in the meantime. We have a charger. Let's see what it is. Is it micro USB? What is it? Let's open it up. Okay, so it is it's a USB 3 charger. Pretty amazing. Very impressed that Sony is now doing quick charge. And then we have these tacky headphones. So as with all good smartphones or all heavily priced smartphones, there has to come some tacky headphones. And I think there should be like a ban on this universally. No tacky headphones for phones this price, because it's just not really worth your money, is it? But anyway, that's just inside the box, nothing else. And here we come to the main star of the show, the Sony Xperia 10. So this is the phone, guys. As you can see, it says English, United Kingdom. I'm just going to start that. I'm aware. So far, guys, the phone actually feels pretty good in your hand. You know, I like how it feels like it fits in your hand. Your thumb goes right across the screen. The screen's rectangular, and you have this sort of invisible part at the bottom here, which is pretty awesome. There's no notch, very good. I guess the fingerprint sensor is on the side, so you can see the side here contains the fingerprint sensor, the power off and on button, or the lock button, the volume up and down button. At the back, at the bottom here, we can see we have our quick charge USB 3.0 here, and our 2 speaker grills at the bottom. At the back, we have a little part where we put our micro SIM. So I put a SIM card in here, and our expandable memory just in here. So I think there's already a SIM card in there, if I'm not mistaken. Or memory card. Nope, there's not a memory card in here, but you can put a memory card if you wanted to. So that's pretty neat. Again, I don't have any complaints about that. 3.5mm head jack, pretty good phone. It has 2 cameras at the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this phone up, and I'm gonna get back with you in a minute. Guys, so I'm just gonna I just skip the Wi-Fi. I don't really need Wi-Fi at the moment. Skip all of this. Okay, let's see how the fingerprint does. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm. Fingerprints on the side. They could have implemented an in-screen fingerprint, but whatever. So very quickly, very fast, hopefully. Fingerprint added. Not now. Skip. Control info and lock screen, no thanks. Just a sec. So I guess it's starting up now. Finish, you're ready to go. So this is the Xperia 10. Wow. What a cool animation, first of all. Just gonna put the brightness up. Okay. Okay. First impression, guys. I'm not gonna I know Sony has amazing screens, and this is not an OLED screen or an AMO LED screen, but if I just dim the brightness on this camera here, you can see how the resolution on the screen is. I don't know if you can see that. You won't be able to see it properly, but trust me when I say this, guys. The resolution on the screen is amazing. Like, it stands out so bad. I didn't even show you my iPhone. Where's my iPhone? I can't really find my iPhone now, but if I show you my iPhone, I'm recording my iPhone, great. So, my iPhone screen, I think this is better than even my iPhone X screen, to be honest with you. My iPhone X is about nearly £1,000, and this is 300, and the screen is amazing. So if you guys are getting a phone for the screen or stuff like that, this looks amazing, and also it's very vivid. The screen scrolls through pretty nicely, no lags whatsoever, so it's pretty awesome. Wow. I'm just gonna try the camera one quickly. I'm just gonna show you guys the camera. So save location, no. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of, I don't know. What do I have to take a picture of? My goldfish food. Wow. Let's take a picture of this. Here. I mean, the camera is not that bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. The camera is pretty bad. But actually not pretty bad. The camera, I mean, I'll give it a 4 out of 10 or a 5 out of 10. You know, it does the job, it doesn't really do anything spectacular. The front facing camera, you can see, don't know if you can see that. So you can see it now. I'll show you guys how it looks like. This is the quality, not really good. You know, if you're buying this phone for a camera, not really good. But anyway, guys, this is the phone. You know, what else can I say? It's a phone, it does the job, it has pretty amazing specs, and it looks nice. I'm probably going to go ahead and do a gaming test or a review on this phone, and then I'll probably end it up with a water test. Anyway, guys, if you have any other suggestions, or if you want me to do any other tests with this phone, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I will do it. Have a nice day, guys, and subscribe. Bye.